guys, so in this tutorial I just want to talk basically about Adobe InDesign. So I'll just go through how I use InDesign. So basically I use InDesign to design magazines. I like it because it makes it so easy, so seamless. You can design a 1000 page magazine within a few hours, depending on how comfortable and experienced you are with using InDesign. So guys, let's get started. Let's go into it. So basically I just want to show you guys so this is a blank InDesign sheet. So basically I just want to show you how to get started. So let me add in let me make it a 5-page magazine. Let me add images to it. Do a just a very simple design. Let me just do that so that you guys will see how it works. So this is one of the cool things I like about InDesign. It's just very, so let me make it that big. So one thing about InDesign is because what it does is it renders your images in such a way that it makes it it kind of reduces the quality of your images. Not in the sense that your images will not be of the highest quality, but in the sense that for designing purposes, when you're just designing alone, your images will not be the best quality, so that it doesn't slow down the software or any other thing, so that your design process is as seamless as possible. So it helps you with that. So there are a lot of cool features in InDesign. There's the preview mode for you to see how things will look before you publish what you're working on. So this page, let me just use the text to so I want to populate this with a few text, just to make it so as you can see, one of the reasons why I like InDesign is so let's say the text is overlapping. What you can just do is just create another box, and the overlap text will just fill up. Sorry about that. What you can just do is and the overlap text will just fill up the other box. Let's just make everything look nice. I think all the text can go here. So let's so I want all the text to okay. Let's work with a different font. Let's work with a different font. Let me work with Nexa. I think 12 should be fine. I think we need better spacing. So let's switch to the typography workspace so that it gives us the option I'm looking for here, the paragraph options. So let's use the character. I think I'm not really happy with the spacing. Let's take it to 18. I think I need it. It's too tight. So basically, the reason why the text is not really looking so well arranged is because there wasn't really much. I didn't add spacing at the edge of the text, so that's why it's looking like this. But you get how you get the whole point on how it looks, on how it would look if I had typed the text not properly. But it's just I'm just showing you guys a sample of how basically I work with InDesign. So let's say I'm fine with the text like this. I want to copy this text. So I want to add an image here. Let's go into my let's use this image. So the last part should just be an image. Also, let's look for something. I think this should work fine. No, let's use this. So as you can see, as I said, what InDesign does it is it reduces the quality of the image, so your project can move very quick and very fast. So let me show you guys what it will look like in the preview mode. So as you can see in the preview mode, let's put it like this. So this is what it will look like in the preview mode. As you can see, it's looking a lot neater than it was looking, because InDesign, as I said, it kind of reduces the quality so that it will I think I like this image for the rather than this one for the so let's say I want to add maybe like text, maybe like a title for the magazine or whatever design. Let's call it let's call it sample design. Let's say I want it in white. Oh, let's continue with our next font. As you can see, let's make it very bold. Let's increase the size to let's say 36. I want it in white also. I want it in white. So I want to also add the end to it. Add the footer. I want this in black. The end. I think I want it here. I want it in black. As you can see, this is how it looks. It looks very nice, not too bad. I think I should make this capital letter, and the size is too much for this. Make it 30. So as you can see in the preview mode, you see how it looks when you export it. It looks nice. It looks nice. We could have added more features to it, but I think it looks very much okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. As you see, we just just got into it, created something. Uh, Remember, I didn't plan this. I just did it in this few minutes in this tutorial. So if it was a design I was working with a client, I probably would have planned it in advance. Researched on appropriate design based on the kind of project I'm working on. So this is just for the tutorial purpose. As you can see, it looks very nice. But most of the time when I'm working with InDesign, I actually design the header and the footer in Illustrator. Then I import it to InDesign. Then the text and the text will be done with InDesign. So because I prefer using Illustrator to design the magazine cover and the footer. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I think it looks okay. Let's export it and see what it looks like. So file. So if you export using the package button, what it means is that InDesign is going to create different files for it. To create the PDF, you create the InDesign file. So many outputs will be created by InDesign. So basically, if I'm working with clients, I always use the package export to so that it will have different formats. But for this purpose, I'll just be using this. I want to just use prepress quality. The quality is good enough with prepress. Because I just want to show you guys what the final product will look like in once I export it. Let's just name it sample design. So let me put it on my desktop. So it shouldn't take too long to export. As you can see, these are all but let's just export it. It's fine. So it just should take a few minutes. Let's check it. Let's see what it looks like. As you can see, this is it here. This is the final product. So normally, if we wanted to export it so that it will have facing pages, we would have indicated it in that in the export option. Let me show you guys what I mean. We need to close that page so that it doesn't have. Let me just show you guys what I mean. So if you export it as spread, the way the magazine is in InDesign, that's how it's gonna come out, like the facing pages. So let's export once again. Let's give it a few minutes. I think it's done. So as you can see, the facing pages feature. So you need to click on spread for it to come out that way. So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section. As you can see, it's looking good. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.